Here we are presenting 5G service assurance solutions. Service assurance is a different layer where you see the resource monitoring and even the customer experience along the line of the service. So we make the different topologies, we interlink the different network elements, how they are connected to each other. So we present you the different geographical based information, how the service is performing in different region, how they are performing in the different domains. Along with that, we present how the domains are connected to each other. It's possible that there sometimes the access issue is there, or sometimes it's possible that the core domain is having the issue and you are seeing the effect on the access side. So our tool allows you to see from end-to-end perspective, either from the customer dimensions, domain, or to regional perspective. So you can see individual customers. As you see in our dashboards here, you will see single view where you can see the whole service in different domains. You can see the radio side, you can see the core, you can see the backhaul, and you can drill down to the lower level. You can go to the KPI, KQI level, and you can go further down to the counter. In single clicks, you can find out the root cause where my service assurance is not fulfilling the requirement, and you can identify the root cause. You can see the effect where the degradation is leading to and what is the impact on your customer. So you can maintain your quality of service by faster doing the turnaround time for the detection of the issue and resolving of the issue. So our tool allows to basically in the single UI, you want to see the root cause, affected entities. Apart from that, you can do the ticketing, right, if you require. If you see that, in our single view, you can see all the resource issues along with the root cause. It can be of any domain, it can be related to threshold crossing alarms, it can be related to the performance issues, it can be fault management, and you can see the trouble ticket in the single UI. If some users created the tickets manually from the operations team, you can see easily that okay, there is already a ticket on this resource, so you don't need to do further action. So it's a single tool where you can see end-to-end visibility from the service perspective. You can drill down to the resource and the resource to the KQI, KPI and the counter level. So I don't need to refer to the multiple system. So I can identify the issue within the 1 minute or 2 minute window. Earlier you had to refer to the different topology reference. You need to refer to the fault management, or you need to log into the NMS, different routers. So here you will just single click. You can see all the issues in the single window. In this, you can do the automation of the tickets, you can do the automation of the root cause analysis based on topology, you can see the automation of the affected entities, and it's cover all the technologies. It covers wireless, it covers wireline, and it could be a broadband service, mobile broadband, fixed broadband. Especially we give for the enterprise service, which is the complex part, where you need to maintain the rigid SLAs. So we enable using our solutions to meet the tighter SLAs where you monetize by providing the fast MTTR. So our enterprise solutions considers different kind of technologies. You provide it to the VLAN network. So enterprise service is more complex as compared to your consumer and the broadband side. And in the fixed network, and especially for the enterprise, we cover the customer dimension also. In the customer dimension, you can see individual enterprise customer, how their subscriptions is performing. So your customer also can see in our customer portal how the particular circuits are performing on those particular customers. In broadband customer these days, I can type the account number of that customer and I can see whether it's a network issue or it's an individual customer issue. So you can see that there's a different persona for our solutions on the service side, either from the customer dimensions, resource, or the service perspective.